talking about the plates earlier and stuff. So one who is in the conversion process, after they convert, but before they had the plates separated, milk and dairy, do they have to go and buy, after the conversion, do they have to go and buy a whole new set of dishes and silverware and things, or?
I mean, until okay, I see what you're saying. So until a person can committed 100% to go kosher, and we were talking about somebody in the process of conversion, or somebody's trying to start a Jew from birth, trying to observe kosher. So until they know exactly what they do, we always tell people don't change the plates right away. So trying to go everything in steps. So get acclimated, right? So start with not first throw out all of the non-kosher food. Okay, that's the first step. Then buy only kosher food and cook it separately. Don't kosher the pans and pots. Just leave it as it is and try to do it in steps, in stages. When you get comfortable, people get comfortable in their own pace. I mean, we don't tell people what to do. So somebody get comfortable in in 1 month. Somebody needs 6 months. 1 year, whatever they need. So after that, so you go you know exactly what you're doing. So you go buy a new set of pans and pots and plates and. So some of these things we can kosher, and we're going to learn in this book all of the details about koshering. So before that, it was we speak about summary. I mean, it's a pretty summary, but in some actually details, many details. But here he's going to, of course, go into all of the details: what you can kosher, what you cannot kosher. If it's a China from this year, from that year. If you have some sentimental value in this china, right? If it's cut from your great grandfather, it would the different things would apply. Okay, but I would say first get comfortable wherever you are, right? With your kosher observance, and then switch. Don't switch and then start learning, because if not everybody in your family is ready and they're trained, they're going to frustrate you in the first 3 days. Guess what? They're going to cook something in the wrong pot, for sure, guarantee. Okay.